Exciting news, tech enthusiasts! Figure AI has made waves in the world of robotics by developing a humanoid robot in record time. I'm Paulo Montenegro, and today I'm here to bring you all the details about this groundbreaking achievement. In just a year, Figure AI has managed to create a humanoid robot that has caught the attention of industry experts, earning them a prestigious spot in the 2024 RBR50 Robotics Innovation Awards. This recognition, announced on April 9th, is a testament to Figure AI's incredible progress and innovation in the field of robotics. Led by seasoned entrepreneur Brett Adcock, Figure AI swiftly transitioned from stealth mode to commercialization, assembling a team of industry veterans from top tech firms like Apple, Boston Dynamics, and Tesla. With CTO Jerry Pratt bringing over 2 decades of humanoid development experience from IHMC, Figure AI has been able to achieve remarkable milestones in a short amount of time. The Figure 01 Humanoid, developed by Figure AI, boasts dynamic bipedal walking and dexterous manipulation capabilities, making it suitable for logistics tasks such as moving totes. The company's advanced development processes, coupled with their expertise in iterative design and debugging, have allowed them to accelerate the development of this cutting-edge technology. Since October 2023, Figure AI has made significant strides, reaching key milestones like manipulation tasks, untethered walking, and real-world demonstrations. This rapid progress underscores the company's commitment to pushing the boundaries of what's possible in robotics. So, what do you think about Figure AI's remarkable achievement? Are you excited about the future of humanoid robotics? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on the latest tech innovations. Until next time, keep dreaming big and embracing innovation.